Good morning, everyone. I'm Garguilo, Executive Editor of OutsourcedPharma.com, Life Science Leader, and part of your Outsourced Pharma Conference team today. Thank you all for being here, and welcome to Outsourced Pharma Boston 2016. I assure you this is going to be a serious conference, but why don't we start off with a small joke? So how many biotech and pharma employees does it take to change a light bulb? The answer is none, because they'll just outsource it to a CMO. And with humor, it always raises a question, and that question is, indeed, has outsourcing become so ubiquitous? So we'll learn a lot about that and many other subjects during the course of the next 2 days. And indeed, this is for us a especially significant conference, and that's because it's the first Outsourced Pharma Conference that we're having in the U.S. on the East Coast. We have reversed the old American saying of "Go West, young man and woman," by starting our conferences in San Francisco and San Diego. And we've arrived here in Boston for our 4th event. And by the way, we'll be back in San Diego and San Francisco in August and November. Here in Boston, there's really 2 important points for us to remember. First, along with this great lineup of panelists that we have, Outsourced Pharma Conferences encourage, in fact, we rely on audience participation. This is our difference. The open and authentic discussions from our panelists should be equaled by an energetic participation by all of you. Speak up, ask questions, join in all the sessions, please. And that really is the second point. We encourage everyone, all of our sponsors and vendors from the room next door, all of our panelists, and everyone attending to please come to all of the sessions. We provide plenty of time around the sessions for one-on-one meetings and personal time. So over the next 2 days, we'll progress along a logical journey through the stages and topics of outsourcing, including selecting partners, tech transfers, project management, supply chain mitigation, and we'll kick off in just a moment with the first session, which talks in some detail about prices and costs of outsourcing around the world. In another first for our Outsourced Pharma Conferences, later today we'll have a session devoted to a leader in the industry, to Shire, to discuss their now famous outsourcing business model. The conference will wrap up tomorrow afternoon in a session that, again, I hope you will all attend, with thoughts and predictions, hopefully some from you, about what will transpire in this industry in the future. And so lastly, for this introduction, I'd like to sincerely extend a thank you to all of our sponsors, to our panelists, and encourage everyone to visit with every organization exhibiting in the next room. This is, by design, a small and elite community affording the opportunity for everyone to network with everyone and potentially learn how to do more business together. So welcome again, and as I wrote in the show guide, you're all actually exhibiting leadership by being here and participating today. So congratulations for that, and thank you very much.